Okay, so Keyshawn, tell me, how was this coaching call with Shabir Khan? And how did you like the information? Can you tell me?
Well, the information was fantastic,
Mm-hmm.
and I feel very comfortable moving forward with you. Yes, because I've been trying internet marketing for over 7 years now, but I didn't get any result. Now I
Mm-hmm.
feel comfortable going forward with you
Why do you feel comfortable in going forward with me?
because you're telling me that you're gonna set the foundation for me to make consistent sale
Well, don't tell me
for
that
the right
what
client.
don't tell me that what I am telling you. Tell me, why do you think I'm the right person?
Well, I think you're the right person because you have
I have shown you results.
over
I've shown you live results, right?
yes, you have shown me a live result, and plus you have over 7 years of internet marketing experience with top internet marketers.
And how long you've been following me?
I've been following you over 4 years now.
4 years.
Yes,
4 years. You've already seen lots and lots of my student testimonials, right?
yes.
And what
On
three
your
things?
Facebook page.
And what three things did you understand from this call?
Well, three things I understand from this call is number one, um, you're gonna you're gonna mentor me on a one-on-one basis by you doing it for me, and I will watch you live doing setting up campaign. And
Yes.
uh,
Okay.
number two, number two, you're gonna set up the campaign and do the optimization, and also you're gonna research the campaign.
What is number three?
That's yeah. Number three, you're gonna teach me how to be consistent. That is the main thing.
In digital marketing. Perfect. So
Yes.
thank you for giving me this feedback. I appreciate the kind words, and yeah, that was pretty much it. Guys, if you're watching this video anywhere, just simply reach out to me or click the button on the sales page or wherever, and you can, find out more on my one-on-one mentorship. So thank you.